Hi guys, so this is saving money while shopping online with eBates. Um so basically if you want to shop smart, you don't want to usually go to this retail site directly. You want to do it through a platform like eBates. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to do it. This website. So what is eBates? Basically, eBates is a website where you have hundreds and hundreds of retailers. So Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and they all go and they basically tell eBates, hey, if you can send us customers, we'll give you a cut of those customers' purchases. So eBates basically sends a bunch of customers to these third-party retailers. And when, let's say, Amazon pays eBates for all the customers that eBates sent to Amazon, eBates then shares that profit with you, the customer. So it's a smart way of shopping. So let me give you an example. So normally, if you wanted to purchase something, you would go directly to Amazon and you would, let's say you wanted to buy this Apple MacBook Pro. If you want to buy this computer, you would just go to Amazon.com, search for it, and then click add to cart, and pay for it. But that's not what the smart shopper does. And I'm gonna explain what I mean by that. So what you want to do instead of just coming here and buying this item for $1,200 is you want to make sure that this item is not available at a cheaper price somewhere else. So usually I compare with eBay. So you'd come to eBay, for instance, and just search for the same item, and then so price and shipping lowest first. Actually that's not the way I do it. Usually I go to daily deals. So you go to daily deals up here, and they have an electronic section. So I would find the electronic section and then see, okay, let's say for instance this computer right here. So let's click on that. So this Apple MacBook Pro is 13.3 inch with a Retina display, 2.6 gigahertz, 8 GB, and 128 GB. So let's see, 13.3 inch. So 128 gigabyte, and the memory I believe was 8 gigabytes. 8 gigabyte for the memory, 2.6 the clock speed. So you can see this is 2.6 clock speed. That's how fast your processor is, and memory is 8 gigabyte. So if you want to buy this straight from Amazon, you would pay $1,200 for it. About $1,300, $1,279. But instead, what I would do is I would come here, find the matching item, and you see it's more than $100 less. It's only $1,100. So let's see, if we do $1,279 minus $1,149. You see, just by being an informed consumer, knowing that this item might be available somewhere else, you just saved $130. But then what I would do is, instead of just clicking the buy now button and checking out, is I would then go to one of these coupons website like eBates. So this was on eBay, so you want to go here and click on eBay and click on this link, and you can see this is about a 5% cashback just for going through eBates. And then just search for the same corresponding item. So if we do that, so you can see this the item, See, the price hasn't changed. It's still $11.49, but the difference now is, they have tracking numbers here to know where you came from. So this is how eBay is able to know that you came from, let's say, eBates. And so when they give a cut of your purchase back to eBates, eBates would then split that profit with you. So then I would come here, and then there's 2 more steps. So then you want to make sure that you get this. I think this is new with eBay. They have this thing called eBay Box. So you just want to sign up for that. You can just come up here. Let me open this in a new window. And I'm already signed up for it, but if you're not signed up for it, they'll show you how to get started with eBay Box. So you would basically sign up for it, and right here before you purchase the item, they would tell you how much you will get back just for buying this item in eBay Box. And this $22 is real money. They will basically save this for you on your eBay account, and then over time, as you save more and more and more, you can then reutilize this money, or you can use this money to buy more stuff on eBay. So keep in mind, this eBay Box is, this is something new, and you definitely want to make sure you signed up for it. And then the last step is then to you want to actually go through with your purchase and sign in if you're not signed in yet. Sorry, my machine is a little bit slow today. So once we get signed in here, so normally, typically you would want to pay with your credit card. And the reason you want to pay with the credit card, if you have one, is because you then can earn 5% cash back on that credit card. So if you can get a credit card instead of using your debit card, and that's an additional 5% cash back on your credit card. So you can see all these layers of savings just for purchasing this one item. You basically utilize whatever is available around you to basically you're still buying the same item. There's nothing different. You still shop, you're still shopping the way every other consumer shops. But the difference here is that you are making money while shopping online, which is which I think is pretty cool. One second. Yep. So once you get here, you would do what you normally do with your eBay. Whenever you go to checkout, you would either go through PayPal or use your debit card. But I would suggest here that you use a credit card, and basically earn 5% cash back on that credit card. So and you can make a lot of money. I mean, this adds up over time, especially for if you're someone who shops a lot online, or you shop on impulses. You definitely want to automate this process, because it would save you money. It might not be a lot right now, but this definitely adds up in the long run. So let me show you, for instance, what I've earned so far. And I'm not a heavy shopper online. So you can see here, this is a check from eBates, and right here you can see $17. And I believe it was about $30. They sent me $17, and they have to send me they still have to send me an additional $15 back. But I believe you get a check every 30 days, every month. And So when I started, I had about $17, and then, I shopped more. And I'm not shopping more because I want to get the cash back. It's just, you shop naturally the way you would normally shop, and, you earn while you do that. So you can see here, they say, they send this big fat payment of $17, and there's still $15 pending. So you can see right there, that's a real check from eBates. And yep, $17. And that's the envelope the check came in. Just so you know, this is real. It's not a scam. So that's how you shop with eBates. Let me just summarize real quickly. So you would come here on Amazon, and you would want to purchase this item. But again, instead of doing it straight through Amazon, you would want to go through one of these, through eBates. So just find Amazon. And once you find the store, just click shop now. They then tell you would save 5% cash back on this purchase. And then you can just paste the item that you wanted to buy. Search for it here on Amazon. And whether you buy it from eBay or Amazon, whichever one is cheaper between Amazon and eBay, you still so what I'm saying is, if this cost, let's say $1,300 here on Amazon, and let's say it was $1,200 here on eBay, you would basically pick the cheaper one between the two, the lower price, and you would still earn a commission back just for going through the eBates website. So that's the first step. You figure out what you want to buy, and you basically figure out which site is cheaper between Amazon and eBay. And once you have the item you want to buy, once you know that you want to purchase it from Amazon or from eBay, then you go and you basically find your store here through eBates. So in this case, we have Amazon. If you wanted to buy it from eBay, you would just search for eBay. And then when you click on the shop now button, they'll just reroute you back to the actual store, and you can just purchase whatever you want to purchase. And so in this case, let's say I wanted to buy this MacBook Pro. You would then see that, oh, you're not signed up for eBay Bucks yet, so you would sign up for that, and they would basically they would tell you how much you would earn for purchasing this item through eBay. So you're earning eBay Bucks, which is real money. You're making 5% cash back on eBates, and when you go to checkout here, if you use your credit card, depending on the percentage that your credit card gives you back, typically it's 5%. You would then make an additional 5% cash back on your credit card, and your item would get mailed or shipped to your house, and you would get it. Nothing changed. The only difference is you're making money for shopping online. You're making money for shopping this way that I'm showing you. The other site which is comparable to eBates is Fat Wallet. I don't use this website that much, but I can show you that it's the same system. You go through here, you find your store, click on there. They then will send you to the store's website, and then from there you just shop the way you would normally do, and you would earn a percentage of your spending. Basically, Fat Wallet would send you they would give you a percentage back of your spending, and you would go through and then use your credit card to check out, and you would earn 5% cash back on your credit card. You would then earn some money here for shopping through Fat Wallet, So you're still saving money that way. And what else can I show you? The other thing that I want to show you, for instance, yeah, you can see I earned 12 cents here on Fat Wallet. So if you wanted to okay, so if you wanted to to buy courses on Udemy, what I usually do is I figure out, okay, what course do I want to, enroll into? What course do I want to sign up for? I figure out the course, and then instead of just buying the course, straight through Udemy, I would go to a website called Retail Me Not. And basically Retail Me Not is just a platform where they have a bunch of coupons that you can use to save on products from all over the web. So you have Amazon, you have eBay, you have Best Buy, JCPenney, Macy's. I mean, you have everything here. So I would search for Udemy here. And then, go through these coupons, and, for me, it's usually a combination of trial and errors until I find something that works for the course. So you might try this course. You might try this coupon, sorry. And it might not work for you when you go to Udemy. But, sometimes, you get lucky. And I think there was a course that was like $100 here. I found this coupon here on Retail Me Not. And I used the coupon on the course, and I was able to save 80% off on that course. So I'm not sure if this one would work, but you would find the course, and you would then click on here, add the coupon you got from Udemy, hit apply. You see, and this course was $500. Using this coupon, this course is now going to cost me $10. I mean, it's incredible. You're saving, more than 90%. So this is how I usually shop on Udemy. I don't just go here and take the course and pay the full retail price. I always check to see if I can get a coupon somewhere else. So this is all I wanted to share with you. So again, thank you. I hope you learned something, and I hope you'll apply this new knowledge. Take care. Bye bye. Hi guys. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to save money while shopping online, with eBates. And I'm not just going to show you how to save money with eBates. I'm also going to show you how to save money with other systems as well. But the focus of the video will be primarily on eBates. So let me show you an example. So what the traditional consumer usually does is they would, let's say they wanted to buy this computer, they would come here and, they would search for whatever they're trying to buy. And then once they find it, they would go through the purchase here. They would buy it and pay the full retail price of, $1,279. But that's not what I do. And I'm going to show you what you want to do as a smart shopper. So what I would do is, if I wanted to buy this Apple computer, I would try to see if I can find it somewhere else on the web at either a comparable price or cheaper than this. And I usually basically compare eBay and Amazon. So So I already did the search for that item, and I know it's already here on the eBay deals. So I would compare these two items, the one on Amazon with the one on eBay, and make sure that the specs are exactly the same. So you can see this Apple MacBook Pro 13.3 inch for the screen size with the Retina display. 2.6 gigahertz is the clock speed. 8 gigabytes of memory and 128 gigabyte for the hard drive for storage. So I would come here and compare it with this one as well. So you can see this is also a 13.3, and I'm not a Mac person, so if I'm making a mistake here, please forgive me, but I believe these two items are the same. You can see this 128 gigabytes for the hard drive space. It's a 13.3 inch for the screen size. The clock speed is about 2.6 gigahertz, and it has 8 gigabyte of memory. So once I know that these two items are the same, then I would just pick whichever one has the whichever one is cheaper. So this one is about $1,279 on Amazon, and it's about $1,100 on eBay. So if we do the math real quick, on Amazon this same computer was $1,279. On eBay we just found it for $1,149. So right there you saved $130 for being an informed consumer. So just by knowing that, hey, this item might be available somewhere else, in this case eBay, you just saved $130. So then the next step is I would go through eBates. So I wouldn't just go here and click the buy it now button. I would then go through eBates, and I'm going to show you why I'm saying this. So you know you want to purchase this item from eBay. So I would go here on eBates and search for eBay, or you can click on here if it's already there, if it's showing up for you. But if it's not showing up, just search for eBay here. And you can see the store name, eBay. And you know, you would before I do this, let me explain to you what eBates is. So basically eBates is it's basically a website where hundreds and hundreds of retailing websites come to to basically save money to consumers. So what do I mean? So basically eBates says eBates says to Amazon, hey, I can send you hundreds and hundreds of new customers, but if I send you customers, I want you to give me a certain percentage of the profit you make on those customers. So Amazon says, okay, no problem. If you send me customers, if eBates you send me customers, then whatever profit I make on those customers, I'll give you a certain percentage back. So then when eBates take those profits, they then share it with you, the customer. They give you a certain percentage back for shopping through eBates. And they, this website, eBates, they are affiliated with a bunch of other retailers. I mean, you have just hundreds and hundreds of retailers. You have Groupon, eBay, you have Amazon, you have I believe Walmart. You have all kinds of you got Avon, Walmart, Walgreens, Lenovo, eBates, Kohl's. I mean, the list goes on. So back to this. So now you know that you want to buy this computer from eBay. So instead of just clicking the buy it now and checking out with your debit card, what I would do is go through eBates. So I would come here, search for eBay. And once you get here, you wanna click on the Shop Now button here. And when you click on Shop Now, they tell you that they'll give you 5% cash back for any purchases that you make on eBay because you went through eBates. So I would then come here and just copy the same item and come up here. I believe it was this one. Wait. Sorry. Yep. So I would come here, paste the item, search for it. and you can see that's the exact same item, same price, $11.49. So then here eBay knows that you as a customer came from eBates. And so what happens is when you go through this transaction and pay for this item, eBay would pay eBates, and then eBates would give you a certain percentage. In this example, eBates would give you 5% on this $1,100 which you just spent. But there's one more thing you want to do. eBay just came out with this eBay Bucks system, which is just more money for you, the customer. So basically they're saying if you buy this item for $11.49 from us, eBay, we'll give you $22.98 back as eBay Bucks. This is real money, but they call it bucks. And what that means is that over time, as you accumulate more and more of these bucks, you can then utilize that as real money to buy even more items on eBay. So I'm already signed up for it. That's why you see it showing. It's not asking me to sign up for it, but in your case, you'll probably be asked to sign up for it. So what you want to do is just click that link, sign up for it. And once you're enrolled with eBay Bucks, then when you in the future, whenever you want to make a purchase, you'll see that if the bucks are available for you, you'll see how much you can earn on that eBay buck. And in my case, I can show you how much I've had so far. You can see I've made $2.67, and I'm not a heavy online shopper. I shop very rarely, but that's $2, almost $3 in eBay bucks. And this might sound like it's not enough right now, but this adds up over time, especially if you're if you shop a lot online, or if you just shop by impulses. This will add up a lot. And keep in mind, this is separate from the profit that eBates is giving you. This eBay box has nothing to do with what these people at eBates are giving you. This is a separate cashback bonus you're getting with eBates, and this is an additional, cashback bonus you're getting with eBay. So then there's one more step. So before I check out this, what I would do is I would sign up for a credit card, which pays at least 5% cash back on it. So if you have a credit card, what I would say is, instead of, when you click on this buy it now button, instead of paying with your debit card, you want to pay with your credit card, and then you would earn 5% cash back on your credit card. So if you see you're making a lot of money, let's not say a lot, but you're making money on this one item that you're purchasing on eBay. You're making money for going through eBates. eBates is giving you a certain percentage, in this example 5% cash back on this purchase that you make. Then eBay here has this thing which I just showed you called bucks, eBay bucks. After you signed up for it, they say we'll give you, in this example, $22.98 for purchasing this item with us. Because eBay knows they have competition with Amazon. So as an extra incentive, they say, hey, if you buy this from us, we'll give you this much back. And then you're making money finally when you go to check out this item. When you're using your credit card, if it has, the percentages might vary. The percentages on cashback might vary, but typically you would make 5% cashback if you use your credit card. So these are 3 layers of savings which I just showed you, and that's what I call a smart consumer. So again, I'm gonna recap this real quickly, and I'm gonna show you other ways as well, but I want to quickly recap what this system is. So you're still shopping online, you're still buying the same items you would normally buy, but you're doing it differently. The way you're doing it is just different, and you're making money by doing it differently. So you figure out what you want to buy, you check between eBay and Amazon, which one is cheaper between eBay and Amazon for the same item. So if this item is if you want to buy this computer, it's about $1,100 on eBay and $1,300 on Amazon. Obviously, you want to go with eBay. Right there, that's your first savings. Just for being an informed consumer, I showed you earlier, you saved about $130. That's step number one. Step number two, you want to not go directly through eBay. You want to go through eBates, search for whichever store you want, whether it's eBay that you find the item to be cheaper on, or Amazon. Search for that store name. Once you find it, you see in this case we have eBay, you then would click on shop now. They would then give you 5% cash back on that purchase. So that's the second step of savings. And finally, when you go at the checkout process, if you use your credit card, that's an additional 5% cash back. So these, this definitely adds up. And this is just for this one single item that you're purchasing. Another system you could use is a system comparable to eBates. It's called Fat Wallet. I don't use these people that much, but it's the exact same system. You would you would search for the store, whichever store you want to buy your item from, and click on that store name. They then would send you over to that store, and then whatever you buy, Fat Wallet would then give you a percentage back for going through them to this store. So it's the exact same. It works the exact same way as eBates. You find your store name, you search for it on eBates, click on it, and then they would give you a certain percentage back on your purchase. And lastly, for courses, I take a lot of courses online, and I usually go here to buy my courses. So what I usually do is I don't just come here and take the course for this much, for instance. It's just too much money. So what you want to do in this case, for instance, is you find the course you want, and then you want to go to a website like this one called Retail Me Not. And what Retail Me Not is just a website where they have hundreds and hundreds and thousands of coupons for shopping online. And you can see they have a bunch of retailers are affiliated with them, all these retailers. So you would come here and search for Udemy if you wanted to take the course on Udemy. And this is usually a combination of trial and errors for me. So what I mean is I would try each one of these coupons until I get a discount, and if I can't get a discount, then I can either wait before I buy the course on Udemy, because sometimes Udemy also, they do their own promotion, and they make the courses cheaper through their own promotions. But if you can't find a coupon here, then you can wait and see if Udemy would give you their own promotional offer. And if you can, then your last resort is just to pay a full price. But I would come here, find a coupon. So for instance, this one says that I can get a course on Udemy for $10. So I would come here. Once I get that, so once you copy this coupon here, once you copy it, you then go to wherever you want to buy the course. Click here, add the coupon code, hit apply, and you can see, this is ridiculous. This course was originally $500, but you see, by using this coupon, I've saved almost more than 90%. This is the course went from $500 down to $10. That's a huge savings. So that's a way I would I usually shop here on Udemy, and I recommend you do the same. Again, the website is called Retail Me Not. So those are the three main ways that I think, if you automate the process, if you just get in the habit of shopping this way, going through eBates first, or Fat Wallet, whichever one you find most appealing. And then comparing the price between Amazon and eBay to figure out which one is cheaper for you. And then again here, if you want to enroll in a course, just check that you have a coupon here available. If you follow those tips, you will save a lot of money in the long run. You save a lot of money in the long run. And that's what I do. So I hope you learned something through this video. I'm gonna post my affiliate link to either eBates and Fat Wallet. And if you think that this video helped you, please use my affiliate link to sign up for either eBates or Fat Wallet, whichever one you like the most. They do the same thing. So I'll post my affiliate link throughout the course. Please use that affiliate link if you think that this course helped you. I believe eBates or Fat Wallet will give me a certain percentage if you use my affiliate link. So I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate link. That's all I had for you. I hope you learned something through this video, and thanks for your time. Take care. Bye bye.